Hello and welcome. This is Evelyne Brink here from brinkcoaching.com, your personal secret weapon to increasing your leadership presence off and on screen. And in this very short video, I want to discuss whether it's more important to have a lot of videos out there or a few but really good ones. Some people will tell you that it's very important to post regular content. Post regular content. Be consistent. Get your content out there. Be consistent. You should be posting like 3 times a week, 3 times a day. 3 times an hour. Get your content to the market so they see it. Drill it in their heads, and no matter what, just drill it in their heads. I don't agree. I think it's really annoying when people keep drilling and shouting their content at you. I think what's important is that when you post something, that you have something to say. Post something that adds value to your audience. If you have a lot of value to offer, by all means, post it out as many times as you want. It is true that not everybody will see your content, so it is important that if you want to be visible, to have a lot of content running regularly. It is good if you want to bring up your visibility to have a lot of good content running out there. The thing is that with especially video content, we really get a feel for you. So do you want the feel for you to be one of, oh, she's really shouting her content at me, but she doesn't really care what she says? Or is it important to you to bring the feel out as, this person really has a lot of value, this person cares, this person has what I need? Personally, I would say number 2. But that's just me. You're totally entitled to your own opinion as long as it matches with mine. Yeah. I think that it's more important to have quality content. Now, the question is, what do we mean by quality content? Does that mean you have to spend thousands of pounds on high-tech productions to create a piece of extraordinarily polished content? No, I didn't say that. But what it means is that you put a little thought into your content. It means that you have a way of being on camera that tells us that you care. It means that you bring something that actually helps people to the world or entertains them. You're also allowed to purely entertain if that's your thing. I think that it's better to have something once a month that is of value and really amazing, and then something every week, 3 times a week, 3 times a day, that is simply annoying. Do what works best for you, obviously. Who am I to tell you? But if you ask me, Evelyn, what's more important, quantity or quality? Evelyne Brink's answer is quality trumps quantity, and quantity is a good thing if there is quality. I hope that cleared that one up nicely. Have a wonderful day, and if you would like some support with your video content, coming up with content and creating higher quality of content whilst having fun, do get in touch. info@brinkcoaching.com, because it is so good to be seen on screen.